how to use an air wick humidifier. So I'm gonna show you. This is the liquid or the scent or the oil, the essential oil you may call it, and that's where it goes. This is a US kind of made electric something, whatever. So you make sure that this goes into this round thing that is seen there, just like this. Again, and remove it in case it's empty. You're just gonna pull it out, okay? And this is where the scent comes out from, and then this is what you plug in the socket, and you're good to go.